Today's cloud job is from Westpac, which is one of the biggest bank in Australia. This job is for cloud security engineer, and this job is from the company Westpac, as I mentioned. Westpac has a rich heritage and offers employees a multitude of opportunities. It's one of the biggest bank in Australia with really good technology on offer. And this new job position, which is cloud security engineer, looks really exciting because it is not only related to technology but also it is AWS focused, and it is in the enterprise and compute storage services team in Westpac, which plays an important role in the development and maintenance of technical solutions on the public cloud and ensures that the detailed design, build, and operations are fit for purpose. So mainly this job is geared towards Westpac's AWS platform. And the best thing I liked about this job role is that while working in this role, you can also upskill yourself in various other technologies. Okay, so this job is based in Sydney, Australia, and mostly it is on site. But I'm sure that if you would talk with them, they will listen to you for the hybrid work model. But mainly, as the job ad says, it is on site. And the main skills required are bit all over the place, I would say. Main thing which I found out was guard duty, which is AWS premier security service, and it is also integrated in AWS security hub. So if you know about the guard duty, it is it is AWS service, which is a threat detection service that continuously monitors your AWS accounts and workloads for any malicious activities, and also delivers detailed report if it finds anything. And not only it monitors EC2 instances in AWS, it also monitor ECS or container applications, Aurora databases, and also S3. So all in all, quite a comprehensive service, and I have seen that over the years, AWS really improved it. So just don't think that it is a simple service. If you just know the definition, you really need to learn more about it. Okay. Plus, you need to know some infrastructure as code things like Terraform and CloudFormation and scripting language, Python. If you don't know Python, JavaScript would do. And you need to have concepts around CI/CD, how it works, what are the phases, and all that stuff. Plus, agile methodology. You need to know what is agile, how it works, what are the scrums, and what is the lean and design thinking principles, and also what is Kanban, Lean, TDD, BDD, customer-centric design, customer engagement, relationship development, lot of the things which you would expect from a corporate bank. So if you want to apply for this job, go to Westpac's website, and if you don't know what the website of Westpac, just use the search engine of your choice, and you will go there, go to their career page, and apply. You can also apply it from LinkedIn, but LinkedIn would take you straight to their website. So just go to directly to their website and register there and apply. I hope that you like this job. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you very much.